Yes, hello everyone. You are welcome again to this video. I'm super excited to share with you our progress on our construction site. We have been able to successfully put in the doors and we are working on filling the foundation space, and the work is almost towards the completion. And great appreciation goes to Charity Vision for the great work done, and we know we are having more ways to go.
Hello my people all over the world. I'm Bruce Wekwanyaga for Health Foundation, Charity Vision. We do work together to prevent blindness in the community. We run a program called Sight Buddies, a school screening program in eye care. We reach out to teachers and all students, even the local people benefit. Refractive errors being corrected, academic performance improving. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo yo. Ay, 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 ay. There's a condition called cataract where the natural lens goes cloudy. It causes poor vision, yeah, and the only treatment is surgery. Because of its cause, we want to support underserved communities. It's a call to all stakeholders to donate for this very noble cause. Cataract is known as indesi. Indesi niyo lufumbi musirauli, temukali mumoni iyo mundu. Sirera kula kubona bulayi tawe, kukwala timoni shangu nabi. Era malamu biseera bifiti, ulanga babandu bosi bete. Ugafu bapimiwe simoni tabwe. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo yo. Kuze 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 kuze. We reach out to teachers and all students, even the local people benefit. Refractive errors being corrected, academic performance improving. Kukwala timoni shangu nabi, era malamu biseera bifiti. Ulanga babandu bosi bete, ugafu bapimiwe simoni tabwe. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo 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 yo. Join us, let's fight blindness. Yo yo. Improve people's lives. Yo yo. Come on, donate, donate. Yo yo.